Let's take a look at how to set up the first part of our Dream Destinations travel guide. First, I'm going to minimize this so I have space to code and review the directions in exercise. Great. We're going to create our own dream vacation list. Our list must have 3 countries in it. And here are my steps. Step 1, create an ordered list for the 3 countries and use the H2 tag to format the country's name. Great. I need to make an ordered list. That means I'm going to need the OL tag, and I'm going to type all of my items inside the list. It says I need 3 countries. So for each one, I'll use the LI tag. Let's start with France. Another country, we will do Thailand. And my last country, let's do Australia. Great. I have 3 countries in my list, and I run it. Cool. It's ordered 1, 2, 3, all set. Now, it says use the H2 tag to format the country's name. So that means France can't just have an LI tag. It also needs an H2 tag to format it. So I can simply add the H2 tag here and wrap it around France so that it follows those rules. Run my code. Great, France is all set. Let's just keep doing France and then we'll move on to the others. First, it says to create the list, we did that. Great. Second, each country should have a nested, unordered list of 3 bullet points containing the following information. So notice it says nested, unordered list. So underneath France, I'm going to create an unordered list. And this must contain 3 bullet points. The first is one thing you want to see or do there. So my LI is I want to visit Paris and see the Eiffel Tower. That's what I want to do. That's one thing. Second one, how long you want to stay in the country. Well, France seems pretty cool, so I am going to say I want to stay there for 6 months. Get to see a lot of seasons, get to do a lot of stuff. Sounds good. My last bullet point, it says a hyperlink to the guide for the country from here. So let's click here on this link, and we need to find the travel guide for France. So I'll go to countries. They're in alphabetical order, so I'm going to scroll down and find France. And here's my travel guide that has lots of information about what it's like to visit France, what I might want to see there, maps, all kinds of things. So I need to put a link to this website on my page. So I'm going to highlight the link here, copy it, and then in my last bullet point, so LI, inside my last bullet point, I need to use the A tag. A href equals, and I'm going to use my quotation marks and put my link inside my quotation marks. And then, just like I've always done, close it with the bracket, and my closing A will pop up here. To keep it organized, I'm going to make sure that my A is on a new line, my closing one, and then here I'm going to put the text that should pop up. So I will put travel guide for France. So all of this code is inside my UL tag. Just checking my white space so that everything is organized. I can indent these so that it's really clear where they are inside my UL. And let's run it and see what it looks like. Awesome. I have a great start. I have exactly what I want to see and do, and the travel guide. If I click, it pops up. So it looks like we're all set with France. Now I just need to follow these same steps for Thailand and Australia. Good luck.